Before we begin, one thing needs to be very clear. This video is not motivational, it's not promotional, and this is not meant to reassure you emotionally. We are going to discuss career paths, money, time, and pressure. So if you are casually exploring options, this video may feel heavy. But if you are seriously deciding your future after class 12 and you can sit through a factual, no-nonsense discussion, then stay. We'll do this in a very simple order. First, we'll understand IPM as a path, then the traditional UG MBA route, then we'll put numbers on the table, and finally, we'll talk about loans and long-term ROI. Let's start with understanding the IPM path. The Integrated Program and Management, it is a 5-year program where you enter into an IIM straight after your class 12. You clear one exam, you enter one ecosystem, and you stay with a structured academic and professional pipeline for 5 whole years. By the time an IPM student graduates from an institute like IIM Indore or other IIMs, they have already built internships, positions of responsibility, and not to forget alumni success. And here there is no second entry exam later, यानी कि कोई CAT का pressure नहीं है in your early 20s. जो uncertainty window है वो भी जल्दी बंद हो जाती है. That is what IPM is fundamentally designed to do. No additional pressure. अब बात करते हैं ट्रेडिशनल यूजी एमबीए रूट की. Here a student completes an UG degree first, फिर वो प्रिपेयर करते हैं CAT के लिए, then attempts to enter a good MBA program. One paper, this looks flexible and cheaper at the start, but in reality, this path involves uncertainty. Multiple attempts होते हैं for many students. Tier variances होते हैं in IIMs and often a delay of 1 to 2 extra years. देखो कुछ students तो पहुंच जाते हैं top MBA programs में, but many don't, and that is the reality. The key point here is not ability or effort, okay? It is that certainty comes much later in this route, so you have to be very sure. Now you know the IPM path, now you know the UG traditional path. Now let's look at the numbers very clear. अगर बात करें IPM path की, total duration is 5 years because it is an integrated course. Total fees largely fixed होती है और अगर rough figure देना है तो 30 to 35 lakhs. Placement typically begin होता है around age 22-23 just after you graduate. Starting packages often fall in the range of 17 to 25 LPA range. और रही बात traditional UG MBA route की, total duration becomes 6 to 7 years. फीस स्प्लिट हो जाती है बट स्टिल एड अप टू रफली 25 to 30 lakhs. प्लेसमेंट जो है टिपिकली इट बिगिंस अराउंड द एज 24-26 और एवरेज पैकेज की बात करें तो वो वाइडली वेरी करती है बट ऑफन दे आर अंडर 12 to 20 lakhs per annum and these are not guarantees but they show a difference in timelines and risk exposure. ये जो comparison है, it is not about which number looks bigger, okay? It is about when certainty and earnings begin. You'll know when your financial independency starts. Now let's talk about the uncomfortable part, loans. Yes, IPM often involves education loans. Yes, interest increases the overall cost, but interest also buys something important. That is time. It allows students to focus on skill building instead of financial stress on family. ये access देता है to roles and recruiters that are otherwise unreachable early. Loan pressure real होता है but it also enforces discipline. How? Students take careers seriously earlier. They move towards high scale, high signal roles. जो mediocrity होती है वो expensive हो जाती है and even small financial buffers like partial self funding या scholarships ये reduce कर देती है interest significantly और improve करती है आपकी ROI sharply. Now since we have talked about loan, the first few years after graduation they can feel tight. Savings limited हो जाती है, lifestyle upgrade slow हो जाता है, but the brand compounds quietly. Once EMIs reduce, करियर एक्सेलरेशन बहुत ही ज्यादा विजिबल होने लगता है. IPM is not a comfort first decision. You have to understand it is a long term positioning decision. अब बात करते हैं किसके लिए ये पाथ काम करेगा और किसके लिए नहीं. IPM works best if you are clear about your management careers. आप चाहते हैं मैनेजमेंट में ही अपना करियर बनाना. You are comfortable with pressure. You can think long term और आप प्रेफर करते हैं structured certainty over open-ended risk. और IP मैट किसके लिए नहीं है? If you want early freedom, you dislike financial pressure, you are unsure about business or management, you're just not clear about the career, you are not just clear about the path you want to make your career in. Now neither choice is superior by default, just understand this. जो आपका fit है वो matter करता है rather than the height. Now to conclude, IPM is not a shortcut, it is a calculated commitment. IPM, what it offers, structured access to strong career outcomes with reduced uncertainty. If you use the platform fully and stay disciplined over time, the ROI can be exceptional. If you like this video and want more such realistic videos, drop yes in the comment box below.